guys, good evening. This is Sandy from Sandy Page. Hope you guys doing good, stay safe. So this is my YouTube channel, and in case if you haven't subscribed my channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates. And so my students got book profit today. That's what I mentioned. I uploaded the video. Okay. This video is all about account handling. So I'm handling my best friend's account. So since almost like 1.5 years I'm handling his account. He's my close friend, a school friend. So I have known him almost like more than 14 years of friendship. So he trusted on me and given this account to me, and I started doing a lot of portfolio analysis for him. So overall the investment is around 15 lakhs. So right now he's into profit of 3,80,000 and almost close to 20% of profit so far. So we started booking profits. His intention is like to hold in number of years and try to book the profits. And today also I have booked the profits on his account almost like 1,29,000. So Adani Green, Adani Power, Lakshmi Bank and Adani Transmission. These 4 stocks I booked today. See the transaction, so close to 90k profit. I bought the stock around, so almost like 37 rupees in Adani Green. So close to 1.5 years I'm handling the stock and handling his analysis. So even though I haven't bought the stock, but he bought the stock. But other stocks, due to price action trading and swing trading, I started doing analysis, and I started buying the stocks on behalf of his account. And Adani Power, see, almost close to 5 years I was holding the stock. Adani Transmission, I think some issue it seems, yeah. And this one. So all this stuff is like close to 1,30,000. You booked the profit today. And what about the other stocks? See, when you get into the other stocks, close to like 50 stocks is having right now. This is the IDBI portal. So see, when you see all the stocks, see Adani Ports. Adani Ports is going to give dividend. So he bought the stock around 189 rupees and 13,000 as of now profit. So you can see the profits and number of profits which he holding, and the mind tree, all the shares from A to Z is having very very important company brand names is holding the stock. So I was taking his account from during COVID times. I started doing the analysis and I started buying the stocks, and frequently we do buy and sell, and sometimes he chosen the stock based on a long term, say like 10 years or 50 years. So this is what he goes to do, and see almost 270% profit in Adani Ports, 60% Aditya Birla, Apollo Tyres 32%, 14% and Harian Pro Solution, that is a Bangalore-based company, 54% in City Union Bank, CPSE, a very very ETF fund. I was having the stock around 17 rupees. I sold the stock around 20 rupees. He's holding the stock. Federal Bank, 17,000 rupees profit. Grasim India, 12,000, close to 12,000. Glenmark, I need to average the stock very soon. So once I book the profits on the stocks, maybe I probably within this Adani profit I can average the stock. HDFC bought on 620 and right now close to 143% profit. HDFC Life Insurance 150% profit. Hindalco 155% profit. So Indian Energy 130% profit. So some stocks, that's what banks was not doing that much, and that's the reason. Yeah, JP, we are in very good profit. JP and almost like KNR Constructions 100% profit. L&T Foods, this stock is a price action. I sold the stock around 88 and L&T is going to give another 40 rupees. 1540 would be the target for L&T in upcoming days. Yeah, price action. Yeah, and 120% profit Manapuram, 400% in Mindtree, Muthoot Finance close to 100. So Rail because very good dividend stock. Reliance 130% profit. So SBI Life Insurance, still the market is in consolidation, 1000 rupees, we can't break 1020. So 68.25% profit. So close to 4 lakhs profit, that is 20% profit in his portfolio. And we plan to increase the share as well as increase the profits, and we need to choose other stocks, and we need to focus on the average on the dividend stocks, I mean in the banking sector very soon. So these are the profits. So when you see the whole holdings, you can see completely everything what is happening. So this is how we need to focus the losses. I need to focus on the losses. These are losses, very few number of shares in red side, and apart from almost all the stocks with very good profits, close to like 100%, 1%, 1000%, 800% profits. So this is what we do, the investing, value investing. This is the concept called value investing. So we used to do a lot of things. So this is my best friend's account, I'm handling this account. This is what, so based on price action, swing trading, technical analysis, all the things would be used for long term value investing purpose. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any comments, if you want to say anything in comments, please comment it. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for more updates. So he is my first client to handle the account. He trusted on me, and I started doing analysis and started buying the shares in his account. So it gives a lot of me confidence. So even I was handling other accounts, close to 18 clients I'm handling. So he is the premier client, and he because he's my best friend, he's my first client, premier client, everything I would say, blah blah blah, all the things. So I hope you like this video, and stay safe, and hit the like button, hit the bell icon for more instant updates. Thank you, and stay safe. Bye bye.